The legend is back, and it's bringing a secret weapon. Welcome to the rebirth of the Chevy Monte Carlo in 2026, a modern-day luxury coupe armed with raw power, futuristic design, and premium comfort like never before. But there's more than meets the eye. Hidden beneath that stunning body lies a game-changing feature that will be revealed at the end of this video, so stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because what you're about to witness might just change the muscle car world forever. The 2026 Monte Carlo marks Chevrolet's boldest return to the performance coupe scene in decades. Gone are the boxy lines of the past. In their place, a sleek, fastback silhouette sculpted with aerodynamic precision, dripping in metallic bronze, and flanked by menacing quad exhausts. From every angle, this car screams aggression with a refined edge, perfectly bridging old-school muscle with modern sophistication. Take a closer look at that rear profile. A seamless LED light bar stretches across the tail, emphasizing the wide, planted stance. The quad-tipped exhaust and bold diffuser hint at serious performance underneath. Meanwhile, blacked-out 20-inch performance wheels hug the ground like a predator ready to pounce, promising grip and agility to match its muscular tone. The front end is where the Monte Carlo truly evolves, with sharp, blade-like LED headlights and a massive blacked-out grille bearing the proud Chevy badge. This isn't just a nod to its past, it's a declaration of war on competitors. Sculpted air intakes and a low-slung nose enhance both aerodynamics and intimidation factor, leaving no doubt that this is a serious machine. But the real thunder comes from what powers this beast. Nestled under the hood is a monstrous 6.2-liter twin-turbo V8, tuned to deliver a jaw-dropping 600 horsepower. Mated to a lightning-quick 10-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, this Monte Carlo doesn't just go fast, it dominates. Expect a 0 to 60 time under 3.5 seconds and enough torque to burn rubber well into third gear. Chevrolet didn't just bring back the muscle, they refined it. The chassis has been re-engineered with lightweight materials and a fully adaptive suspension system that adjusts on the fly. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising down the boulevard, the Monte Carlo rides like a dream but handles like a track weapon. Inside, this coupe takes a massive leap into the luxury realm. Plush leather upholstery, ambient LED lighting, a panoramic glass roof, and ultra-futuristic digital displays create a cabin that feels more like a tech-savvy Grand Tour than a brute muscle car. The curved OLED infotainment screen flows seamlessly into the digital instrument cluster, offering full smartphone integration, voice control, and even gesture commands. Passenger comfort has clearly been prioritized. With heated and ventilated sport bucket seats, a premium Bose sound system, and noise cancellation tech, the 2026 Monte Carlo ensures every journey is both thrilling and relaxing. Rear seats are sculpted for 2 adults, proving this coupe is still a proper Grand Tour, not just a weekend toy. Chevrolet has also baked in advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. This isn't just a Reborn icon, it's a thoroughly modern masterpiece. So who should be worried? Every performance luxury coupe in the market, from the BMW M8 to the Lexus LC500, now has a serious new rival. The Monte Carlo doesn't just show up, it shows off, challenging the very notion of what an American muscle car can be in 2026. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, that hidden feature we teased earlier. Rumors point to a limited edition hybrid AWD variant pushing over 700 horsepower, blending V8 brutality with electric torque. Yes, Chevrolet is aiming for the future without abandoning its roots. This is not just a comeback, it's a revolution in motion.